Triangle. So come into the back of your mat. Inhale, circle your arms up. Take a big step forward with your right foot. Exhale your hands down to your side, parallel to the mat. Back heel on the mat. Sinking into the lunge. Right knee goes right. Right hand goes your right knee, left arm up, gazing towards your left hand. Keeping your knee in line with your ankle. Shoulders back and down, abs engaged. Back to standing. So flipping your feet. So left foot forward, right foot back. So sinking into the lunge, keeping your knee in line with your ankle. Inhale, arms up, hands down by your side. Left hand, left knee, right arm up. Quads engaged, abs engaged. Gaze up. All right. Exhale, release, back stand. Right foot back, stand. So from side. So I'm going to move my I need to do this one. Where's my Okay. Okay. This way. Triangle.